So hi guys, I welcome you back on my YouTube channel. My name is Shivangi Goyal if you didn't know that. And first of all I would like to wish you a very happy new year. I wish कि ये साल आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारी खुशियाँ लाए, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें हों आपके साथ एंड आप हेल्दी रहें, हैप्पी रहें, आपकी फैमिली खुश रहे and I wish the best for you. So as we all know that we are not just entering into a new year but also entering into the whole new decade. हम सिर्फ नए साल में ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे एक नए दशक में एंटर कर रहे हैं. सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट टू डू समथिंग न्यू इन दिस न्यू ईयर. ऑल्सो वाई नॉट टू इंक्लूड यू गाइज ओवर देयर टू. So guys, I am bringing up with yet another very interesting series naming Share Your Vichar on this Shukrawar. Yes, it's like very much clear with the topic कि every Friday I'll be doing this video and we'll be sharing something about life, about surroundings that are going on around, and I would like you to please be more participative into this video and आप अपनी बातें comment section में बता सकते हैं whatever you feel about that particular topic. And with this let's start today's video. Okay, so आज की जो वीडियो है it is all about New Year resolutions और New Year things that we all do generally. So आप में से कई सारे लोगों ने कल काफ़ी इन्जॉय करा होगा एंड यू गाइज मस्ट हैव पार्टीड अ लॉट एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना, ये सारी चीज़ें. कई सारे लोग शायद अकेले रहे होंगे घर में मेरी तरह जो फ़ोन में हैप्पी न्यू ईयर विशेस टाइप कर रहे थे. सो गाइज नो वरीज, it's good sometimes to spend times with your own self. It's completely fine and it's good to party also. I am in with both the things. So I know that many of you must be writing about your New Year resolutions कि इस साल हम ये करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे. मैंने भी लिखा है. But before writing the New Year resolutions, what I personally have written and मुझे लगता है कि आपको भी ये करना चाहिए to write the things that you have achieved in 2020 because that year has gone, लेकिन उसकी achievements नहीं गई हैं. So before writing New Year resolutions, you should achieve you should write what you have achieved in 2020. Like if I talk about my own self, yes, I have achieved a lot in 2020. I have started my own organization Soch, and if you don't know about that, you can check out the link in the below description. Also, I have made my whole Soch family. We are now 15 members into it, and I have started my YouTube channel with you guys, and I have started working on my videos on Instagram, on YouTube, and creating that social presence. Also, it's been a good year whole in one for me, and yes, I do have achieved a lot other things apart from YouTube and everything. So it's whole yes, I do have written all those things जो भी मैंने 2020 में achieve करी, and I'm actually very proud of that. I have bought few things that I wanted to buy in 2020, and I think that was a good year for me. Also, yes, I do have write about the New Year resolutions also, like I want to practice affirmations more. Affirmations are the positive things that you say or write. You can practice it by writing or by saying. I generally do it I just say to myself. Sometimes I do write it too, but लिखने से शायद ज़्यादा impact पड़ता है. So I'll start practicing writing affirmations daily. Also, I would like to practice gratitude more. I want to, like, I do it now. I say thank you to God, thank you to people and everyone. But yes, I want to practice it more. Generally, you can do it in the end of the day. आप सोने से पहले gratitude express कर सकते हैं to gratitude to God for giving you that day, and for everything, every little thing you can express gratitude to. Also, affirmations you can start practicing it early in the morning when you wake up. आप just उठने के बाद आप ये चीज़ें practice कर सकते हैं क्योंकि I am going to make the most of the day. I am the best person. I have the whole lot capabilities to do anything in my life. So these are the resolutions that I have made, or I have made a list of things that I wanted to buy this year, or things that I wanted to learn this year, and places where I would like to visit. So if you also have made some kind of list of resolutions, Please let me know in comment section what you have decided to achieve in this year. Also, बिफोर राइटिंग रेजोल्यूशंस अगर आपने नहीं लिखे हैं या आपने लिख लिए हैं तो भी राइट डाउन द लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू हैव अचीव्ड इन 2020, एंड इफ यू विश, please do share those beautiful achievements of your life with us, and you can do it in comment section. Also, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family, and let them know that they are the best and this is going to be the best year of their life. So once again, with this I am closing this video. A very happy new year to you, you and your family, and take care. Bye bye.